different insurance plans I personally own, and why I chose to have it. Watch this 4-part miniseries. This is part 2. Let's go! If hindi mo pa napanood yung part 1, I talk about how I became a believer of insurance. So, bago ako naging financial advisor, naging client muna ako. So, noong 2021, I was already an advisor. Ko mas na-explore yung iba't ibang insurance products ni Sun Life. Hanap na ako talaga ng insurance for health. Ito nga yung second insurance policy ko, which is Sun Fit and Well. I got this when I was 30 years old kasi lumaki na yung sahod ko niyan. So, yung increase ko dyan napunta. Si Sun Fit and Well is a comprehensive life and health insurance plan. Ang purpose ko dito is to protect me from any critical illness na pwede tumama sa akin during my lifetime. Statistically, almost 90% ng tao yung nagkakasakit muna bago mamatay. Especially dito sa Pilipinas na hindi naman ganun talaga kaganda o hindi talaga maganda yung public healthcare. Personally, favorite ko itong plan. Nagdagdag pa nga ako nung 34 years old ako kasi sobrang daming benefits ang meron dito. Number 1, life and health insurance coverage. Guaranteed death benefit until age 100 and covered na ng 114 critical illnesses across minor and major stages. Ang claim dito is whichever comes first between death and diagnosis. Additional 50% cash benefit pa if cancer and diagnosis. So kung 2 million yung basic coverage ko dito plus 1 million pa. Number 2 is limited premium payment. Fixed paying year siya, pwedeng 10, 15, or 20. So yung kinuha ko is 10 and 20 year policy payment. Kasi di ko naman minamadaling matapos magbayad agad dito. What if magkasakit ako on my 9th year of paying pa lang, di ba? Di ko na nitapusin yung pagbayad ng plan kasi makaka-claim na agad ako. Level premium din siya, ibig sabihin hindi tumataas yung binabayaran ko as I age. Unlike other insurance plan, especially yung mga critical illness riders, nag-i-increase yung premium nun. Number 3 is special paid up bonus and dividends. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, I will receive special paid up bonus as a reward kapag tapos na ako magbayad and the dividends. Though hindi guaranteed yung dividends kasi depende yon sa income ni Sun Life. Pero as long as enforce yung policy ko at kumikita si Sun Life, may matatanggap ako for life. May peace of mind dito kasi kung hindi magkasakit, which is yun talaga yung goal, at least meron akong nilook forward na money for my retirement. I believe yung health insurance coverage, wala siyang pinipiling life stages. Single or married ka man, may anak ka man or wala, breadwinner ka man or hindi, mayaman ka man or mahirap, pwede tayong tamaan lahat ng sakit at hindi natin alam kung kailan mangyayari yun. So if you are looking for health insurance coverage, explore mo na tong Sun Fit and Well. Watch for my next video. Bye!